In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Jockie Music Bot in Discord step by step, so you can add it to your server, connect it properly, and start playing music in just a few minutes. If you've been looking for a simple way to bring music into your Discord community, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Jockie Music website by visiting jockeymusic.com. Once the website loads, look for the Invite button. This is the option you'll use to add the bot to your Discord server. Click Invite and you'll be taken to the Discord authorization page. If you are not already signed in, Discord may ask you to log into your account first. Go ahead and sign in with the account that has permission to add bots to your server. After that, you'll see a list of the Discord servers you have access to. Select the server where you want to add Jockie Music. Make sure you choose the correct server before continuing, especially if you manage multiple servers. Once you've selected the right server, click Continue. Discord will now show you the permissions Jockie Music is requesting. Take a moment to review these permissions so you understand what the bot can do inside your server. After reviewing everything, click Authorize to complete the setup. At this point, Discord may ask you to complete a quick verification step, like a CAPTCHA, to confirm that you are a real user. Just finish that if it appears. Then wait a few seconds while Jockie Music joins your server. Once the bot has been added successfully, you should see it appear in your server member list. Now that Jockie Music is installed, the next step is to get it playing music. First, join any voice channel inside your Discord server. This is important because the bot needs a voice channel to connect to before it can play audio. After that, open a text channel in the same server. In the message box, type m/play followed by the name of the song you want to hear. For example, you could type m/play your favorite song, and then press enter. Jockie Music will receive the command, join your voice channel, and start playing the track for you. If the song does not start right away, double check that you are in a voice channel and that the bot is in the same server. You can also try the command again with a clearer song name. And that's it. You've now set up Jockie Music Bot in Discord and used it to play music in your server. It's a really quick process once you know the steps, and it's a great way to make your Discord server more fun and interactive. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Discord bot guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.